This is the all-new 2018 Chevrolet Traverse. Available D-optic headlamps, front cameras, help you get close to that parking block. On all Traverse models, passive entry. Got your key in your pocket, you don't have to take that key out. Just walk up, you hit the button on the door one time, it unlocks the doors, and you're ready to go, or you can hit that button and it'll lock them as well. Also available on Traverse, side blind zone alert. Built into the mirrors, it lights on when somebody's in your blind spot. When you turn your turn signal on, that will flash at you to let you know not to get over in that lane. Integrated backup sensors, also available. Power folding seats. Buttons here on the side, makes it nice and easy. Going grocery shopping, need more space. Just fold down your seats. With all 4 seats folded down, you got 98 cubic feet of space inside this vehicle. Moving on to the back seat of the Traverse. It's a very large family vehicle. To access that third row, you can have your car seat in your seat on the passenger side. You release this lever, the whole seat will go forward. Spacious third row. One nice feature for your third row passengers, you have available USBs in the back so they can charge all their mobile devices. Got some real cool features. Got a nice little storage spot there. Got a USB in the back. You can actually take your phone, plug it in. The screen stays on if it's up. If you actually shut it, you can keep your phone behind it. Available built-in navigation, 3D view of the streets. That projection icon is designed to change to either Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Whatever phone you have, you plug into the USB. That'll allow you to do anything that they're designed to do while you're driving. Dual climate control, obviously, there's always a passenger that's too hot or too cold. You can select each side individually. Back to that luxury, you also have heated seats and cooling seats. Also available in Traverse, wireless charging. Set your phone down, turns on and works for you. Nice and easy, all cordless. So on Traverse, you have selectable all-wheel drive or two-wheel drive, along with a towing option and snow and ice mode. The lane keep assist, that is the button to the left here, that will actually read the road as you're driving. It will keep you in the lane if you go to drift out. It will also alert you to let you know. Obviously this is a big SUV. You start to pack everything into the back and you can't see out your rearview mirror. Now you can flip this on and you have full vision behind you. This is the driver information center. This will tell you anything you want to know about your vehicle. If you scroll through, you can obviously see your trips, trip A, trip B, your fuel information, your oil lives, tire pressures, anything you want to see is all available through the driver information center. You got a heated steering wheel, and you also have what they call front collision warning. The vehicle will actually read the car in front of you and gauge its speed. If you are about to collide with that vehicle, the car will alert you to let you know. If you do not apply the brake in time, it will apply it for you, possibly avoiding a collision altogether or reducing the severity of the impact. Also available on Traverse, you have dual scape sunroofs. They both come with shades, which is nice, which we need here in Florida. This was the all-new 2018 Chevrolet Traverse. We got a great selection here at Ferman Chevrolet of Tarpon Springs. Come see us for a test drive.